And you're doing good too, aren't you? Yeah?
I don't need help, Daddy.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're an adult, right? You said that too.
I'm an adult. I like driving.
Driving mommy and daddy crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, turn to the right, turn to the right, turn to no,
Right.
the other way, the other way.
Right. There we go.
Keep going, keep going. Go to the lot. Lot. Yes, 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 yes.
Where did jacket come from?
Alright. And now I need you to check I need to check this up the driveway. More. Alright, now go the other way a little bit. Go the other way. No, go up that way. No, the other way. More. Yeah, this way. Yeah. Keep going.
What are you doing?
I'm helping you, the adult, learn how to drive. No, go up the driveway. Go this way. This way. No, you gotta keep going this way.
Back up.
Keep going. More. Go back the other way. More.
You're doing really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Better than some adults.
This way a little bit more.
I can do it by myself.
Oh. And we're home. Woohoo! High five.
Good job, baby.
Thank
You
you
did
for letting me
good.
help you.
You're gonna get a beep.
Watch his hand. About to roll up the window.
Hold on. Here, you get him.
Daddy's about to be mean to you, boy.
Go again. He blinks every time you do it.
Wow.
What you doing, bro?